Also, you don't want to do too little. Just a little for something on this one. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the centerpiece first. And then this on the side. You can adjusting it if you want it longer, shorter. Let me see if I'm gonna get that one long, just a little bit longer. There you go. This one is really cool and simple. If the clients decide to just to want, I'm going to find the beads in here for my mixed bag. It's a lot in here. So let me using and poise on the next. Brazil, are you doing your design right now? Are you doing designs on your nails? Or you are doing designs on the nail swatch? There's so many. Is I have full jar over on next to this tray, but I'm using this tray because it has a lot of beads that I wanted to stay in the bottom of the tray. Can you see if I have any question now?
Well, she's do some crystal placement too on swatch tape.
Are you doing live right now?
No, she's just doing along with you.
Ah, do you want to join me, Valish? Brazil? Join me, my love. Oh, that'd be awesome if I get to join you. Got to see you, what you doing. She said, no, Nancy, leave me alone.
Oh, so for Whitney, it's already past midnight.
Oh,
What?
Happy New Year.
Yes. Is it in the morning or like where are you, Whitney? I don't remember. I'm sorry. There you go. So CC can do it fresh. She's gonna have it nice for her birthday.
Oh, nice. Cece, did you do your nails? Are you doing your nails right now, Cece? Cool.
Oh, she do it in the morning.
Oh, New Year. There you go. Alright, so I think I'm really in love with this look.
Yeah. So hey, Happy New Year. Right, you wanna join?
We request.
Alrighty. Alright, Bellis, get ready. You're on live with us.
I am going to give a 60 seconds on this one. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Hello. So excited to have you join me. Oh, look at your
Thank
crystal
you.
tray. Crystal kit. This looks so fancy.
Oh my god, I love the stone so bad. So much. My ring light is acting crazy right now.
Alright, so I am going to here. Show us what you are doing right now. I'm excited because I got to see you too. For New Year.
Yeah,
So I got to see you